Here, can you get on the side, honey?
Nice job.
Nice job, zombies.
That's great to hear.
Very nice. Floating dead prom. Relaxing in paradise.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
Yeah.
I better not be in it.
No, you're not in it, honey. I love that floating dead prom. That's awesome. What's this coming up, guys?
Farmers.
What is it?
Farmers.
Farmers. Nice.
Hillbillies and farmers.
Redneck Yacht Club.
That's a pretty good one.
It is a good one. Oh,
Bubble party? Ah, bubble party.
that's cute.
Bubble gum.